Certainly, there are several plants known for their extreme toxicity. Here are a few notable ones. Aconite, also known as monkshood or wolfsbane, contains potent alkaloids like aconitine, which can affect the nervous system and cause severe poisoning. Deadly nightshade, known scientifically as Atropa belladonna, contains tropane alkaloids such as atropine and scopolamine. It can cause delirium, hallucinations, and even death if ingested in sufficient quantities. The castor bean plant, or Ricinus communis, has seeds that contain ricin, one of the most toxic substances known. Even a small amount can be fatal if ingested. Oleander, with the scientific name Nerium oleander, has all parts of the plant toxic due to the presence of cardiac glycosides. These can cause serious heart problems and even death if consumed. White snake root, known as Ageratina altissima, contains trematol. This can cause a condition known as milk sickness if livestock ingest it, and it can be transmitted to humans through milk. Deadly nightshade, also called Solanum dulcamara or bittersweet nightshade, contains solanine and other toxic alkaloids that can be harmful if ingested. Gympie, a type of stinging tree found in Australia, has leaves covered in stinging hairs that inject toxins, causing severe pain and skin irritation. These plants are often attractive and may be found in gardens or natural areas, so it's crucial to handle them with care and be aware of their toxicity.